Hi friends, welcome to Vijay Arts. Today is 16th day of watercolor challenge of 31 days. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா we are going to draw basic shapes of stones which we are going to create a simple drawing. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி shapesல ஆரம்பிச்சுக்கோங்க. So I'm just doing the basic shapes. So once you're done with the outline, you can just erase it if it is very dark, or else அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, நம்மளுக்கு ட்ரா பண்ணும்போது லைட்டாக இருந்தால் போதும். ஸோ that will be fine. Okay, let's get started with the painting.
If you can dream it, we help you draw it, we help you create it. DJ Arts, adding colors to life. Dream, draw, create it. VJ Arts, adding colors to life. Dream, draw, create it. VJ Arts, adding colors to life. Dream it, draw it, create it. VJ Arts, adding colors to life. Dream it, draw it, create it. VJ Arts, adding colors to life. If you can dream it, we help you draw it, we help you create it. For little hands and big hearts, soft colors in motion.
I hope you enjoyed the painting. சரிங்களா? உங்களுக்கு means if it is the first time that you are watching my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and do share with your art lovers. And உங்கள் வரைஞ்சி பார்த்துட்டு do let me know how you feel, and if you need anything else or any comments that you would like to share, please share it in the comment section. Okay, thank you, bye bye.